Okay, happy Friday. Welcome to engineering. We're in an asynchronous session, so you should start by watching the video that you're currently watching. Um, Down below that, you see our objective. The students will investigate the engineering that was done to make their shoes by making a sketch of the sole of their shoe in order to see the things that they should say that they commonly interact with as a result of the design process. So I'll have to fix that when I get done with the video here. That they commonly interact with. Yeah, your shoes are something that you commonly interact with, right? You wear them every day. So you're going to go into the instruction tab here, and it will bring up a Google Doc, and that gives you some directions, right? So let's see what those directions are. It says using a piece of paper and the colored pencils there are some in your drawer. Remember, I gave you the drawer that you picked up on the materials pickup day. Draw as detailed of a sketch of the sole. So I want you to look at the bottom of your shoe and try to draw a sketch of that. Okay? And you can color it in and make it look like just like the bottom of your shoe does. And then when you're done with that, I want you to look at that and see all of the little pieces that are there. And I want you to label those. And we're going to call those features. Okay? So you probably don't have an appropriate name for them, so you can call them whatever you want. You can call them a nub or a thingy or a pivot or whatever word gets inspired for you, but I want you to label all the different features in the bottom of your shoe. And then I want you to think about why you think those features are there. Like, what does that little thing in the bottom of your shoe do? Or why did they make the sole that way? And then, so label each of those figures with a brief description as to why you think that is. When you're done with that sketch, as accurate as you can, the labeling and the explaining, you're going to take that and then you're going to go back to the main page here. Right, so you're going to go into the day page in your day folder. Whoop, there we go. That's weird. I have to change that because it also should say Friday 9/11 because today is the 11th. And then you're going to go to the practice tab here, and that's where you're going to upload that. So you're going to get that to your computer, upload it into Schoology. It will show up to me. Now, this is the easiest summative assessment you will ever have. This is going to be graded completely on completion, right? So you have to have three things. You have to have a sketch of the sole of your shoe. You have to have all of the parts labeled with a name that you made up. And then you need to have an explanation for each of those parts on your shoe. If you have all three of those things there, you will get full credit and it will count as a summative assessment in this course. Ooh, awesome. After you do that, you watch the summary video for today. There is no formative assessment, no homework tonight, so you're going to have a good weekend, and we'll go from there. So make sure you've done all that, and we're done for today. Awesome. Thank you.